freight elevator at the Union Bank Place in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is going to be 4K 30 frames take. That was a 1080p 60 frames. This one's, and this is going to be 4K 30 frames. Let's go down for a sec. So here we go. And here it is. That's a cowbell. Let's go down to concourse rear. Here we go. Traction. Here are the concourse. Let's go 11. Here we go. Here 11. Let's go back on the main lobby and main lobby rear. This is supposed to be the door open, door closed should be right open, door open should be right here, and the door closed should be right here. But they're on the bottom. That's kind of messed up. That's kind of weird. It's nice for a freight elevator. Identical to the main elevators. Here's the main lobby. Alright, and that's it.